I know y'all like me, you love to gap spark plugs. Don't do it. With the Iridium ones on these, you can damage them. The Platinum ones on these, you can damage them. They come out of the box 0.040 inches from the factory. You're gonna run them straight out of the box. If they're not that gap, you gotta check them. Now you can check them all day long, check them. If they're not that gap, if they're smaller, they've been crushed up, send them back. Get you a fresh set. That's what they want you to do with these trucks. Now we got some spark plugs laid out. I'll show you all here. The old one, here we go. This is an old spark plug. Check this out. NGK used to make ACDelco spark plugs. This is like 22 years old. So if we come over here, that's a big old gap. There's no electrode left. I mean, it's all eroded. It's worn out. But look at that gap. It's huge. So come down here. Let's check this Iridium one. Oh, that one's been damaged. That's not 40 thousandths of an inch. There we go. That's 40 thousandths of an inch right there. That is looking good. Straight out of the box, we're gonna run it. Everybody always says, you know, you're not supposed to use a coin like this to check these fine electrode, precious metal spark plugs, Iridium, Platinum. You're not supposed to use the coin, boy. You're supposed to use one of these little things like that so that you can get in there without damaging those electrodes. So this right here, 60 thousandths of an inch on the coin, we'll check it. Yep, see, 60 thousandths right there. These coins work best for checking the gap on copper plugs. Y'all know that. You can get in there and check them with the coin. This copper plug is rating about 45 thousandths. Not really too familiar with these copper plugs. Like I said, I don't run them. You know, I like the Iridium ones. I like the Platinum ones, you know, if you want to get a little cheaper plug. But those Iridium ones, you know, they last. You get the performance. Why worry about it? Why use a copper plug, you know? Here we go right here. Check it out. We got this little wire right here. And look at that. It slips right in there just like that. 40 thousandths of an inch. It's got a good gap to it right there. So on these trucks, you got your copper plugs, your Platinum plugs, your Iridium plugs. So some guys will run the copper ones. I don't recommend those. They don't last as long. The Platinum ones last much longer. And then the Iridium ones last the longest. You know, you get about 100,000 miles out of these before you have to replace them. So as far as performance goes, some guys like the copper ones. I don't know why. You know, they're easy, they're cheap. But the Platinum ones are okay. And then the Iridium ones are the best as far as I'm concerned for these trucks. Fuel mileage, performance. I always put Iridium plugs in these trucks because I want the best. I don't want to mess with copper. I don't want to mess with Platinum. I want the best from the get-go, and I don't want to have to worry about it. So this 06 came with these Iridiums from the factory right here. These are 41-985. That's an old part number. That doesn't really exist anymore. But these Iridium ones from the factory were good. Some of them did come with Platinum. I do believe some service manuals, really old trucks, they were Platinum. You can see this one's all eroded, worn out. If your spark plug looks like that, it's time to replace them. So check this out. This spark plug's got that blue dot on top of it. This is an original spark plug from the factory on the Chevy Avalanche. Somebody never changed the spark plugs. This has got 212,000 miles on it. You can see what it did to that spark plug. It wore it right down, but it was still running, you know, not well, but it was running. And, you know, the more you use it, that gap will get bigger because it'll wear out the electrode. It'll use it up. It'll erode it with all the electricity and the firing. And then it ends up opening up the gap. Doesn't run as well anymore. Time to replace them. Later.